So I just bought the cheapest bucket pallet forks for my loader. Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome back to another vlog day. Alright, so I just bought these pallet forks for your bucket, for your loader. Now these are meant for a big, normal size loader, but I'm going to try them on my Sears loader here. So not a great demonstration for these, but I do want to try them out. I got a lot of my stuff on pallets that would be nice to have. So with these loaders, the weight is set right here on these Sears loaders, so having it forward is going to be not ideal for this specific application, but I'm hoping that I can kind of get away with it. If anything, I can add more weight to the back as a ballast to help the so much weight forward. So without any further ado, let me get this slapped on. It should be really simple. So they just should slide on and tighten down. So yeah, that is my little review on this. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with them. There's nothing wrong with them. I think the tractor is the limiting factor here. I don't know, can you see that from your angle? Yeah, that one sticks up a little higher than that one, and yeah, it just makes getting into pallets really hard. But, you know, I was able to clear that area just like I wanted to. Obviously, like I said, the limiting factor is the tractor itself, but yeah, they did great. I'm very happy with it. So they did exactly what I wanted them to do. These are the 2,000-pound ones, so they're the higher end. You can get the smaller 1,500-pound ones, and obviously this tractor would never see that, but I have them in my possession now, so when I do upgrade my loader there, get a bigger one, these will fit any tractor. So again, I think these are more designed for like a Kubota BX series or even their L series, the bigger tractors, because I mean, I don't know how much they can lift, but those pallet forks right there can lift 2,000 pounds. So I don't know what tractors can do that. I know my tractor, I think the max payload is like 200 pounds. It might even be 150 pounds because I'm 180 and I make this tractor scream for attention. So, and so obviously the tractor can lift more the more weight you have on the back. So I'm not sure what the loader is designed for. But yeah, that is my review. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next vlog.